Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Republicans and Democrats in Congress want to cut off foreign countries' access to crude oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve after China, India and others bought up barrels that some lawmakers said should have stayed home. Less than 24 hours after he was pulled from the backbenchers to rescue Truss's crumbling government, Chancellor of the Exchequer Jeremy Hunt announced he was effectively ditching the Premier's Dash for Growth strategy and had spoken to BOE Governor Andrew Bailey to secure his backing. Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Masazumi Wakatabe said the yen's recent fluctuations were clearly too rapid and too one-sided, signalling caution over the potential economic damage from the currency's slump to 32-year lows against the dollar.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. Italy's consumer price index at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.